Normalmente, você pensa roupa e a saúde de pia, pero não te fundeje de nos curva. Tá provee apoio e estabilidade.
You know, after a long day, many people can't wait to kick off their shoes and put up their feet. But if you suffer from chronic foot pain, that might not do it.
Estudo mostra que o dolor de pia está mais prevalente em gente mulher. Isso aqui por motivo de sapato que não viste. Outro fator lo porta herida de deporte, obesidade, artritis ou planta fascitis.
When these muscles are tight, lower tendons and tissue can get inflamed. One good stretch is just flexing your foot up towards your shin. You should feel the stretch in the back of your leg.
Por mover por ankle e pia de forma circular.
Picture yourself trying to pick up something with your toes and then hold that position for 5 seconds, then relax. Do that 10 times. Doing these sorts of exercises daily will help keep your muscles loose and may ease your foot pain.
De Fabiola Angela Hernandez, Patria Noticia.